Morning, welcome to Greece. So we're currently in Corfu. We landed late last night, so it was around about 9 p.m. Local time. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of the villa. So it's pretty sick. So we've got a pool table, we've got a lot of space. So it comes around here, we've got literally table area, everything we need. Table tennis, pool. I love pool and snooker anyway, so it's gonna be sick. We've got a massive pool, a lot of land, ocean views on both sides. It's absolutely mint. Let me show you the villa. So this is the villa. Here, right behind me, that's the pool. The pool's bigger than I thought actually as well. So it goes shallow from one end, so it goes from 1.25 meters deep. Here, it goes to 3.2 meters deep at the other end, which is absolutely insane. So, there we go. So there's like a little balcony above, so we may end up jumping from there, who knows, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick. But what I'm basically saying is, we're here for a week, so we're here Monday to Monday, and it's just gonna be good to travel the area, have a look around Corfu, actually just explore the place in general, and overall just have a lot of fun. So basically what I'm doing is, I've got my laptop with me. I'm gonna basically try and see how trading and traveling actually is. I'm not going to just force trades anywhere, but I have got my laptop with me. I will be around for probably the first 2 hours of London. If anything does develop throughout the day, I will take it. That's kind of what I'm doing, because I kind of want to experience trading and traveling properly. I don't mean just sat by the pool or anything. I mean actually be inside, have a basic routine of what I'm looking for, do markups, be ready for trades if they present, take the trade. If not, get on with the rest of the day and don't fret over it. So that's the plan. I'll keep you updated. But yeah, I think we're about to go down to the beach soon, so it's pretty sick. Check out that ocean views right down there, so it's gonna be mint. And yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me, and we're gonna film the entire week. Yeah, I don't know whether it's the fact we've just had a proper chill day or it's too early to say, but it's been really chill just taking trades today, to be honest. I haven't forced any trades, both trades to fit the criteria. Just happened to line up on the first proper day of the holiday. And yeah, nothing too much to report really. I think it'd be different if I was out travelling and exploring all day. I don't think I'd be able to take or manage trades, to be fair. So that part of travelling, I feel that would be very difficult to take trades. But if you do have a station, if you do have like a somewhat of a workspace, I do think you can do it from a laptop for a certain amount of time. Do I think I'd be able to do it all the time? I don't think I'd want to. I like having a proper space and a proper routine. But if you needed to do it for a week or two or a month, then you could definitely do it. That's what I'm finding anyway. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go and cool down and jump in the pool.
Instagram Enjoy, boys.
Right, so the EU shorts I was running in yesterday from these highs here did show that bearish intent to the downside, and I did take TP around this area, so solid trade on that behalf. Price obviously did move a lot further as well, and it's still moving, but it's one of those you're not trying to catch all the move. At least I'm not anyway. I'm following my system, sticking to the plan, and just rinse and repeat. Pound yen, I'm still in. So I held pound yen overnight. Something that I do quite often on pound yen just because of its nature during Asia. But I entered short coming into New York Open. Price then gave that clear bearish intent coming into the rest of the session. Then started to correct back overnight into Asia. And then we're starting to see that next leg down now as well. So what I'm personally looking for, there's a lot of trendline liquidity below this area now. I'm personally looking for the swing low to be taken out due to the fact that we're in a bearish trend. So we've made this new lower low. This is now a potential lower high. Looking for price to make a new lower low. So therefore this becomes the new target. So if price meets this area, my TP will be met and I'll be out the trade for 13.2 R. So that'll be a really nice trade. And yeah, it's been a solid trade. It did pull back this morning, but I was obviously looking for that London Open manipulation, which happened, and then we've seen that next leg down. So keen to just see how this plays out. Morning. So it is cloudy and rainy today so far. I think it's going to clear up a little bit later on, which would be nice. But yeah, you can't complain. I'm out here, so just enjoying it, and whatever the weather is going to be good. But I think the majority of the week is meant to be sunny anyway, so it's going to be a great week. But yeah, out of those EU shorts that I was in yesterday, so I took hit TP in New York Open on EU short, and then pound yen I took New York Open. Still running today into London. Probably likely gonna, well, it's probably gonna hit TP in the next, it's hard to say, 1 or 2 hours maybe, if it is gonna hit TP, but we'll see. Not gonna force it. And yeah, it's been good trading whilst I've been away. I never really done it to this extent before. Let's just check the trade. It's actually just about to hit TP. It's not far away now, so that'll be a nice start to the day. But I'm not planning on taking too many trades, to be completely honest. I'll take a few while I'm away, but I do want to explore, travel, see the area, do a few fun activities, and actually just enjoy the holiday instead of trading 24/7. Taking two winning trades now, so it's been a nice start to the holiday. They both could have been 2 losers. It's about playing the probabilities. These just happen to be 2 winners, 2 great winners as well, because that one will be 13, and then the born prior was just over 5 as well. So really solid start to the week. But yeah, just keen to just explore Corfu. Hopefully this weather brightens up just a little bit, and then we'll go out and see some places. So this is exactly what I was talking about on pound yen. So price has now taken that swing low. We're likely are going to push a little bit further anyway, but price has now hit TP. I'm out of the trade, and really happy with the result of that. Just follow the process. Nothing like it with drama. Oh, mate. This. Right next to a yacht as well. So checking back in, it's Friday evening, the markets are closed now, and for me right now it's just relaxing and just enjoying the entire week. So just taking the 2 trades this week. So there was Euro-dollar short, pound yen short, both happened on Tuesday. So one was the London session, which was Euro-dollar short, ran till about 5%, just over 5%, and then pound yen was 13%. Obviously partials included in that as well, so slightly bit less, but you see the overall picture. Great trades, happy with the way that I executed them. And so we arrived Monday night. The trades developed the morning after, so I obviously had to be on it to a certain degree. Trading from a laptop hasn't been the same as you would imagine, but I definitely think I could make this work for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, maybe max. It would be nice if I was traveling in the future for, let's say, 2-3 months to actually have a proper setup. So whether that's a big screen or 2 screens, a proper desk setup that you can get into a routine with and actually just come back to actually trade, and that's your
you come into that space and automatically you're already thinking work or you're thinking trading. At the moment, I've just been working on the table inside, and that's been my space. So that's kind of what I've been doing. But overall, it's been a test. I came here with the intention of wanting to test out whether I could actually realistically travel and trade at the same time. This week, with just the trades and the situations that happened, and the fact just a few little things along the way kind of gave me a sign that it is doable, but you do need to put the right things in place to be able to structure that properly. So whether that's working in the morning, trading the session in the morning, having a certain amount of time throughout the day to actually get the work done, and then go explore, go travel, go do different things. Obviously this has been a holiday, so I've not really been doing any work. I've been doing a bit of prep in the morning, taking trades, but there's just literally been those 2 trades. But I would imagine what I've noticed is that, once again, very obvious, but if I'm in the villa or you're in a place of where you can just monitor trades, then it's very simple to do it, in my opinion. I think it's obviously going to be a bit harder if you then go out to travel. Like today, we hired a boat, whizzed around the bays, had a lot of fun, snorkeled, swim, did a lot of stuff like that pretty much all day. So if you're having a day like that and the trade's forming, I'm not going to be taking that trade because you're not going to be in the correct mindset to be able to take it or manage it. So why ruin a day of fun? Like, you just go out and enjoy the fun. Trading was done on Tuesday anyway. And yeah, so it's been an interesting experience. It's been good, and I'm excited to do more of this in the future. It's been such a good holiday so far. We've got 3 days left. We fly back Monday evening, but overall it's been a nice relaxation time before Q4 starts. I have got one more trip in a week and a half, but after that it's just like fully work focused until the end of the year. So I'm excited to really get some hours in and just really progress forward even more now. But yeah, absolutely love this week. Hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been a lot different, more so vlog. You've seen me come with me to Greece, and I kind of love this style of video. So I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know if you want more of these in the future, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a great week.